Hello guys, welcome back to Cheyenne Place. Today we found an abandoned suitcase on a garbage pile when I was coming back home, and we saw some cool stuff in there. So now I'm going to make a video about what is inside because I haven't seen what's inside yet. So first of all, let's open it. We found this and they're just lying around, and we looked inside and there was some stuff in it, so we wanted to check what it was. And in this video now we will show you what will be inside this suitcase. My hands feel very hot here because it's like around this plastic. Oh, what's that? It's like a phone case or something? Look inside. There's some plastic stuff in there. Okay then. There you go. See, my hand is red, but here. Let's see what's inside. I don't see really anything in there. It's like maybe a tool down here. Okay, just gonna look. Okay, ooh. Oh, what is this? Let's see what is inside here. Okay, we got ourselves a I don't know what this is. Some wire? I think some wire. Some wire or something. Put that there. Oh, what's this? Imagine if it was a phone. Just a phone case. For some Samsung phone. Looks bad anyways. Got some machine. I don't know what that is. We got some dangerous machine here. Don't mess with this, children. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a big machine. I'm gonna leave that to the end. Okay, here some kind of other machine. I don't know what it is for. Some cooking machine here. Some cooking machine for some sort over there in the inside. So that's something we'll see later. Some more phone cases, some golden Samsung phone cases. Some golden Samsung phone cases here. And some see-through ones. There we go, Samsung. There we go. We got a see-through Samsung case, and we have a gold one here. Just gonna take that. There we go. Okay, we have a here. We have a paintbrush. That's a good thing because I want to paint soon. Oh, that's something good. Oh. Something here. Ironing maybe. I don't know, probably not. Some machinery for some stuff. I don't know what that is. So we'll put it down there. Oh, watch out for this. Looks like we have a working tool here. Some other one. Some batteries there. Got some stuff in here. We got some stuff in here. Some metal parts. We got a Tesco bag. Oh, we got a hairdryer. We got a hairdryer in there. Just gonna leave that there. Shush, please. I don't know if this is on. Doesn't look like it's on. Nope, but we got a nice drill here. Most of these things look brand new to me. What else do we have? Oh no, I don't know what this is. Flammable gas. This is something. Oh. Wow, this is something dangerous. I'm going to leave it there in the sun so you can...
That's something dangerous.
I don't know, some screw thingy, whatever it is. Oh, here, a sledgehammer.
The hammer?
Sledgehammer. We've got some gloves here. I don't know, some other machine part here, some blades, some plastic stuff, and some tweezers and cables. So that was everything.
And
That was everything from this suitcase box thingy. Yeah, it was very fun to see. Fun to see how people just leave this on the road and forget about it, but that was something good. So, if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.